Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. This is class 2 of our automation testing interview preparation series. In real interviews, they first check Python basics, not Selenium. Okay, so today we will take on one very common Python question and handle it in the way interviewers expect. Handle it in the way interviewers expect. Interviewer asks a simple question like reverse a string in Python. Reverse a string in Python. I won't explain theory first. I will write code, run it, then explain. After that, interviewer usually extend the same question. I will handle that also. Okay. In real interviews, if you give the one kind of answer for their question, they may ask you to execute or run or write the code in another point of view. So we will discuss both. Okay. So here first question is about this is our last class we have discussed about. Now we are going to discuss about. So here give me a second. Uh, in the last class we had given one question as well, right? The like what is automation testing? What is automation testing? Uh, So here I will give you the answer for that question as well. Okay. After that, we will also continue the today's questions and answers. Okay. So uh, yeah, give me a second. Yeah, sorry for the delay. So actually, whenever someone asked about what is automation testing, uh, some freshers and experienced view, they will give different kinds of answers. They will give different kinds of answers. So what exactly we need to give for that question, we are going to discuss here. Most of them say that it is to avoid manual testing or save time. Okay, and also it will execute by using the tools so that time will be saved, like that different kinds of answers they may give for the same question. Okay, for the same question. So here I am going to give you the main actually what the interviewer expect for the question what is automation testing. Okay, so here automation testing is a process of, first I will write here and then I will explain. Okay. Executing see here I will give the one line. executing test cases automatically, using tools and scripts, using tools and scripts to reduce. See here, from here, we need to go for next time. That will be helpful. Scripts to reduce manual effort. So save time, will reduce the manual effort and it will save time and improve test reliability. Improve test reliability. Okay. This is the definition for automation testing. One second. So testing is a process of executing test cases. We will write the test cases, right? And those will be automatically executed using tools. Okay. That may be a VS Code or VA editor or whatever you are PyCharm or anything. Okay. And scripts to reduce manual effort. So in automation testing, we will not test the application by using manual. Okay. And so that it will save the time, efforts, and also it will improve the test reliability. Okay. See here, what it means is manual testing needs human efforts every time, and same test cases are executed again and again. Okay, same kind of test cases are executed again and again. Because so for suppose if you want to understand clearly, let me open an application. So here, okay, suppose I am opening this application, it will taking some time to open. Okay, if we want to open immediately, and or else if you want to test the how much time it is taking, okay, then we need to uh, calculate the time also. Okay, one second here, or else see here, see here. Okay, now let's take one example. See now it is for here we are having one book. Okay, see, it is now it is available. Okay. But if the book is not available now, then they will change this details and book image and all, right? So next time any other book instead of this another book or another items will be added here. So at that time you need to go for the same kind of for testing. Okay, or else if you go to home, Amazon home. Okay, so if you want to yeah, today's deals, uh the if you want to check this application option or uh, uh what we can say okay, if you want to test this up option, then we can test this option by using manually by checking or clicking on this one. But if the I mean, same option will be moved to somewhere else, then we need to give the same kind. I mean, we need to check and again if there is anything changed. So if you want to check more same kind of application again and again, then if you do the same kind of testing by using manual way, it will takes more time. Okay, if you want to test the same kind of option again and again, it will take more time. So in order to reduce the time, we will write the code. So if you execute the code, then automatically it will test each and everything in that option. Okay, so to avoid these manual efforts, to avoid this time consuming, we used to write the automation code. Okay, next. Uh, Automation allows script reuse. Okay, if you write the script once, then we can reuse the same kind of scripts. It will uh, execute the scripts in faster. Okay, it will execute scripts very fast. Next, if and it will also reduce the human-made mistakes. Okay, automation testing will reduce the human-made mistakes, and it is mainly used for repetitive and stable test cases. Okay, repetitive. If you want to test the same kind of option again and again, uh, then we can use for automation scripts. Okay, we can use automation scripts. Okay, this is the basic question which we have uh, given in the last class. Now let's go back to today's questions and answers. How they ask, how what they will expect, and how we can give the answers to. Okay, so today's question is about first uh, what we have said. Reverse a string in Python. Okay, reverse a string in Python. How do reverse a string? First of all, so first I will write the code to reverse a string. Then we can uh, go for the explanation. Okay, so for that I had opened the VS Code. So here simply I am giving here test equal to automation. Next, reverse the text. We need to reverse the string, right? So we are here. Yeah, I am giving like a reverse the text equal to text of. Sorry, here we need to give text x, not a test. Okay, text of. We need to give in square brackets and then colon -1. I will explain the code later. Next, print of reversed text. Okay, this is very small code. Here I am going to run this code. See here. See what we had given automation reverse the text. So it is automatically here reduced. AUTOMATION. Okay, reversed. Okay. So here what we have done is first of all text is a string. Okay, string means ABCDs and all. Okay, alphabets. Okay. Next we have reversed that text. Whatever we had given automation, that will be reversed by using this. So here this part is called slicing, and -1 means uh, it will reverse direction. It will reverse the direction, and this is the shortest solution. This is the shortest solution. So here I am going to provide this in running notes as well. Okay, and output will be, sorry. So here, or what output it has given. Okay, so here I mentioned the some key points. First point is that text is a string. Here text, it is a string. Next thing, this is called as slicing. Next, -1 means reverse direction. Reverse direction. And this is the shortest solution. Okay, this is very shortest solution. So after explaining all this, the interviewer may ask you to, can you do uh, with, I mean, can you do with this without slicing? Can you do this without slicing? So yes, we can do without slicing also. That first for that also, I will write the code here. Then I will explain. Okay, we can give the same here. First, I will clear this one. So text equal to automation. Result equal to colon double quotes. Okay, not colon, double quotes. Here we can use a for loop for in, sorry, for char in. Text. result equal to char plus result. Result equal to char plus result. Print of result. Okay. So uh, we need to reverse this thing. Okay, that is common. But how we are implementing this is the question here. Okay, first I will execute this one. Then we can do the, or we can go for explanation. See here, here also it has reverse string. So here what we have done is loop through each character. So it is a for loop. So it will loop through each character. It will go for N, O, I, T. Like that it may loop and add character in front of the result. So whatever character it will go, it will add that in result. Okay, that's why result is printed like a reverse. Okay. Next, this checks logic and not shortcuts. It will be the so here this is the logic behind this one. Okay, it is not a shortcut like earlier. Okay, this is the logic. So char plus result. So and if you do coding like this in front of them for especially in the uh, interviews like this more. Okay, so we can do like this and it can do like that also. Okay, but anything is fine. Okay, this is logic based, that is shortcut based. Okay, now I'm going to provide this in running nodes as well. Okay, output. Output we can take from here. Next, explanation or key points we can say. Uh, if these class I mean can follow the beginners also, no need to become experts. I'm telling everything from the scratch. Okay, whether you are experienced or fresher, or if you don't know the coding also, you can follow. Anyone can follow this one. Okay, so what it will do first is loop through each character. Loop through. Second thing, add character in front of the result. Third one, if you know the detailed explanation, then you can do the same kind of coding for the other questions too. Okay, if you don't know the coding or logic, if you don't know the how to explain to the interviewer, it may then it will not give it any result. Okay, so this is a logical way, not a shortcut. Okay. logical way, not shortcuts. Okay. Next. Okay, we had answered the question in two ways, but most of them do another way, but that is very wrong. So here, what they will do is simply they will write like text dot reverse, text dot reverse. Like some of the persons will may write like this, but this is wrong. Why? Because string has no reverse method. Because string has no reverse method. That's why it is wrong. So we validate text from UI. So how it will matches to our automation testing is we need to validate the text from UI. UI means front end. So here this is the UI. Okay, this is the front end. Okay, here we can do the validation. Slow in our upcoming session, we can go deeper and we can understand this one in a deeper way. Okay, so and uh, we manipulate the test data. So for suppose here uh, login and all, if we want to sign in or if you want to enter anything, okay, so we can manipulate the test data. Means some one user will give some kind of input, another user may give another input. Okay, so we used to validate that data. Okay, and Python string logic is used in daily automation because every UI consists of some text data. So Python string logic is used in this process. Okay, so how we are going to do is also we can explain in our upcoming session. Okay, so and we can also do this by using a while loop. Okay, so uh, can you do or can you give me the I mean, can you give me the answer in comments? Okay, I will reveal the answer in our next sessions. So here my question for today's is reverse a string using while loop. Reverse a string using while loop. Okay. Next class we will start with your while loop solutions, and then we will continue Python basics. Then we will continue Python basics. Okay. If you like this content, please hit the like button. Uh, please do share with your friends. And if you have any doubts, please comment below. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next class.